Alright, time to deal with my weird neighbor. His name is Fredbear. He's been making a lot of noise anyways, and I wait. Wait, what was that? Bro, did he just die or something? Alright, that's it. I'm gonna go speak to Fredbear. Yo, Fredbear. Okay, so somehow I respawned. Alright, you know what? I'm gonna go deal with him once and for all, and I'm gonna die. Yo, Fredbear! Wait, yo, Fred, where no! Oh! Hey. I respawned again. Alright, let's go. Wait a minute. Is that a car? Is that a car? Yeah, I'm gonna ignore him. I think I can go in here. Alright, see Fredbear, wherever you are. Fredbear, wherever you are. I think it's... Yeah, I think we're going. Man, he's so fast. I can't even react in time. Bro. Oh, that's so weird. And people are just dying. Alright. Wait, is that a car? Is that a car, bro? Can I get in the car? I want to get in the car. 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 Screw it. My plan is to get Fredbear up there and then leave. He's going to be trapped there forever. Now let's find a way up. Oh, ladders. Great. Alright, let's go. Yeah. We're near. Come on. Yeah. I can't wait. I'm falling. Yeah. Come on. Alright. You know what? Let's find a way out. Wait. Is that a ladder? Alright, bet. Let's go. I'm climbing up the ladder now. I'm climbing it up. Alright. Yeah. I want to go. Bro, I want to go. Oh, it's here. Go. Oh, I think this is... Man, I don't want to go down there. I guess I have to do it. Let's go. Wait, is that a wardrobe? Yeah, I think I could. I think I saw it just Fredbear right there. I want to hide in the wardrobe. Oh, I can. Wait. Bro, dead. Yeah, why I was saying that is because if anyone was in there, yeah, they probably died. Anyways, let's get out. I hope Fredbear does not catch me. Alright. You know, let's go in here again. Hide for a few seconds. Alright, let's get out. Alright, I think I'm safe. Let's get out. Come on. Where's that window? I think I can get out the window. Alright. I want to get out. Come on. I think I can break this. Alright, good. Yeah. Good. Great. Alright, one more thing. How I respawn is that W.Afton gives me some revenant and yeah, he's going no. Goodness. Yeah, W.Afton gave me some things. Okay. Let's get out. Oh no. Ah! So anyways, what I was saying is that W.Afton gave me his potion that he uses to stay alive. Yeah. Like that. So yeah, that's so I drank that potion, and yeah, that's how I just stay alive. All right, now let's continue. Let's go. Go. Come on. All right. Wait. Oh yeah, I don't think we're gonna make it. Be as fast as Fredbear. Click here to buy Game Pass. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna be buying the Game Pass. I don't have enough Robux. I have 3. All right, no more confessing. It's time to do this plan properly. Alright, now let's go. If I die, I'm generally going to quit. So first, I'm gonna wait until he enters. So enters his home. And then, why isn't he not entering? He's just killing random people. Yo, why isn't he? Yo, everyone, do not shout for Fredbear. He's gonna keep coming out. What happened? Wait, if I jump here, then here, maybe I could get Fredbear to go. Alright, let's try this plan out. Okay, let me go to this house. Yo, can I answer? Is there any way else of going in? No, I don't think there's any way of going in. I don't think there is. No. Wait a minute. Wait, what if we go over there? What happens if we go over there? I want to go over there. Wait, what happens if we go there? We've hit the border from the, I don't know. Wait, I'm clipping through the hills. What? How does that work? What incarnation? I'm clipping through the hills. All right, time to do this the proper way. Wait, I think I can enter. This is my house, so I can enter here normally without Fredbear attack. All right. Wait. Oh, wait. I thought they were like the same houses. All right, let's go. If I die,